Hey fam! Welcome to Chestermere's Frozen Lake. If you could see yung nasa malayo. So meron sila nung pang-dig, pang-hukay ng yellow. And then maglalagay sila doon ng fishing rod. Parang same sa atin pero parang automatic. Morning fam! At late na kami nagising. So since nagkaroon kami ng bisita last night and napakwento hanggang 12:30 AM na. So di na kami nakagising ng maaga. So today we change our plans. So mag-explore kami ang Alba Fambam ng town or city near Calgary called Chestermere.
Yeah.
And after that, we're
Last
going to
minute.
Costco. Price check. Tingnan natin kung malaki ang epekto ng no GST here in Canada for 2 months. So, see you, fam, later!
On our way to Chestermere.
First time.
Yeah. So,
Yan, natin kung anong community dito. Nalala mo nung nasa Vancouver pa tayo.
parang isa to sa naging choices natin na parang bilhan ng bahay, no? Pero yun na nga lang kasi parang yung ano niya, distance niya from airport is medyo malayo. Although, meron namang direct, parang direct
Yeah,
road.
itong road na.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
So nakita mo yung mga dito, parang marami pa rin pwedeng i-project.
Sobrang dami, sobrang lawak pa na yun. Bakit kaya nila nilayuan yung Chestermere? Doon sila nagtulong, hindi dito.
Di ba?
Pero baka merong mga bylaws or laws na dapat parang siguro 5 kilometers from the city, doon ka kailangan mag-develop. Pero yan ako, lapit lang neto lang. Pero kasi nung nasa Vancouver tayo, ang problem, hindi pa natin nakikita yung lugar. So wala tayong idea.
Walang idea.
So, ang nakikita lang namin, at ang nakita ko pa talaga ay yung video na sobrang lala ng snow. Tapos yun yung, oh, this is going to Chestermere. Oh, no. Parang, okay, hindi na lang Chestermere yung bilhin natin. Wow, yeah. So, nawala siya sa choice tuloy namin.
Correct.
Pero actually, ang lapit nito. Tapos,
Parang
ang
air drill lang din, no?
Oh, yeah.
Ang halos ang lapit.
Tapos ang dulo pa ng road, galing kang Chestermere, papuntang Calgary, ang tawag nila Belvedere ba or Belvedere. May Costco.
So not bad
Tapos
na
may
rin.
mga shopping, kumbaga may shopping center na siya. So,
Let's see kung anong meron dito sa
not
community
bad,
na sa
not
loob.
bad to. Yan, yan oh. If you can see, may mga apartments na dito.
Yeah.
So that's, I think, halfway or pasok ng Chestermere. Wala pang 5 minutes. Nasa Chestermere ka na. You see? Super lapit nito. And then super close siya. So comparing yung location natin ngayon na Northeast Skyway, going to downtown, Chestermere going to downtown, mas malapit
Mas
ang Chestermere.
malapit. Yeah. I think so too.
Yeah.
Kasi parang nasa gitna to ng ng Calgary.
Oh, yun nga lang, parang isa sa option kasi, not option, pero ang way of thinking natin is, gusto natin ang address natin is Calgary, Alberta, hindi Chestermere, Alberta. So parang,
Correct.
okay.
So next time.
Nawala siya. Pero cheaper, I think, ang alam ko is cheaper ang bahay dito, like around 50K
Cheaper.
compared to
Calgary.
Calgary. Kasi nga, address mo hindi Calgary, ang address mo ay Chestermere. So,
Ang dami pang ginagawa.
yan oh, ang ganda ng mga bahay oh. Wow. Ganda ng mga bahay dito sa Chestermere.
Yeah, malalaki din. Tsaka yung behind.
Ano, grabe oh.
Oo nga eh.
Parang
Behind this-
nakakahiya namang mag-townhouse dito.
behind these, ano daw doon, houses, yung lake.
Yeah.
Grabe. Oh.
Wow, may speedboat siyang nakapark. Galing.
Mhm. Ayun no, dalawa din yung parang garage door. Yung parang sa Toronto.
Mga option.
Yeah.
Grabe oh. Grabe yung bahay niyo.
Grabe yun.
Wow, simbahan na ata yung bahay. Hello! Andito kami sa Chestermere Lake. Or may park. Parang may park dito. So, nag-park. May park. Tapos nag-park yung sasakyan namin. And let's check it out. Oh, maganda dito. Highway na pala yan. Yeah, first time namin dito sa Chestermere. So, grabe, yung laki ng lake nila. Ayan, let's go there. Mommy, let's try to walk dun sa lake mismo. Try lang. Para naman makatry tayo ng naglakad sa frozen lake. Yan, inaayusan ni Mommy, si Davan, and si Liana. So it's a bit cold. Siyempre yellow yung naabakan. So okay. Let's check it out. Ang cold daw, sabi ni Lian. Okay. Kuya, let us know if it's too cold, ha? Kasi we don't want you to have frostbite. Okay? So, we'll just try to walk ng saglit sa lake. Tingnan natin yung experience. First time. Yeah, let's go there. Wow! Okay. Si Mommy muna, nauna. Okay, just be careful ha. Kasi slide kuya ha. Hold the rails, please. Oopsie. Madudulas pa si Lian. Ayun na, water na yan, love. Baka hindi masyado matigas. Nakakatakot naman dito. Hindi masyado. Dun. Yung may ano. Di ba nakakatakot, love? Don't jump, kuya.
Why?
Kasi baka... this is ice. This is water.
That's
Baka dun, dati may water.
Hindi, dito lang o dito. Dito tayo. Ayaw ni Lian kasi the water. Come on, kuya. Come on. Picture tayo as family here.
break this water.
No, you can't break it.
We'll go with daddy.
Super hard.
There.
Welcome to Chestermere Frozen Lake right now. Dun? Pag ganun ba? Oh, sige.
Come on.
Ayan o.
Look.
Ang ganda dito. Ang lamig. Masakit na sa kamay. Woo! Frozen Lake, Chestermere.
Don't you worry, cause I love you, baby.
Oy, masakit na. Medyo masakit na sa kamay.
A few moments later.
Hello! Look at my cute daughter. Okay, price check again. Kami ng Costco. There you go. Costco again. Alright. Okay, where's Mimi? Yan. So, madaming tao. Okay, price check tayo ng Costco. Kasi walang GST. So, check lang natin. Okay. Oh, may mga sale ba? Oh, yun oh. LG dishwasher. $599. Oh, wow. Ganda. Ganda. Hisense TV. $3.99. Upgrade kaya kami nito. Hero 13. $3.89. Nice. Ganda. $3.89. Mahilig din ako sa gadgets eh. $2.79 yung Bose. Siyempre may mga Apple Watch. 89. 548. 892. Doon si Kuya. What are you looking at, Kuya?
This one.
Is that nice?
Yeah.
It's okay. Toys again. Ang dami mo ng toys eh. Kuya, look at this. Look at this. What are those? Pokemons. Kuya, look at this. Has all the racing cars there.
I want to buy it.
You have $2?
Give me $2 then.
Okay, let's go to mommy first. We need to go to mommy.
I'm so hungry. I want
Yeah. We're going to eat first. We're going to eat. Let's eat. Okay. Before tayo Costco, order muna tayo ng food. Kain muna kasi wala kaming lunch. Yeah.
Daddy, so
Yeah, I know. It's $2.49. Hot dogs $1.50. It never changes. Okay, let's go here. Need to pay here. Need to order here. What do you want?
Sausage.
Sausage. Okay.
Mom, I cannot see that. I cannot see. Let me see. Daddy, Cargia.
Cargia, no, I cannot Cargia you.
Aww.
Bam, eating na. Yan, favorite Costco grab. Chicken, ano ba ito lang? Chicken fingers. And then pepperoni pizza, fries. And Kuya's favorite, hot dog. Okay, kain muna. See you later. Let's start. Okay. $19. Yoga jacket. $54. Okay. That's why you go to Costco. Get one. Get two. Get two chocolate. One for you and one for daddy. Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright. I couldn't hold it right now.
Aw, me.
Okay, alright. Okay, let's go. Let's go to mommy. Okay. Start na rin silang magbenta ng wagon. Yan yung wagon na it's $89.99. Okay, let's go, Kuya. Where's mommy? Mommy's gone? Wow. Salami. And Olympic double smoked ham per kg. $8.99. Sarap. So, pag mga ganyan, isa niya, $43. Dairy. Makakuha na kaya si Donna? So, dito kami bumibili ng eggs kasi tingin namin mura. $11.29 to 3 dozen na. Okay. Okay. Then, for emergency, kuha din kami ng Kirkland 40 recyclable bottles. Okay. Magkano ba tong isa? Magkano nga to, love? Parang $3 lang to, no? Excuse me. Okay. Meat section, beef tenderloin, $30 off. Wow. Yeah, hindi ako bumibili ng meat dito sa Costco. I find it expensive. 37. Super expensive. Ito pala yung same na nabili ko. Type S Jump Starter. Same love, oh. 79. Galing. Yeah. Jump Starter. Kailangan kong bilhan si daddy nito eh. For emergency, pero next time na. Or baka sa Australia na lang bibili. See, may mga tools. Jump starter. Ito naman yun. Then, Fantic power screwdriver. Kuling. 50. Nice. There's my kuya. Kuya, what is that? Who is that? Kuya, who is that? It's R2D2, you're correct. Is that right? It's... Wow! That's so cool, ganda. And this one, kuya, is the... Ito, sino ba to? Metal. Yeah, it's the metal. Metal. Galing ni R2D2.
Just keep doing this.
Uh-huh. Ah, okay. And then, you can put it back? Yeah. Okay. Okay, galing. Galing. Let's go. Bench lang din yung brand. Mga... Ano ba to? Fleece jogger pants. Then Adidas tri-coat pant. Later talaga, check natin kung may GST. I think sa food and sa clothing wala talagang GST. So let's see. And nakita din, kailangan namin ng Colgate toothpaste. Ang itlog naging yeah, we did good. Yeah. Not bad.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, ang itlog naging naging ganito. So, let's see. Right? Costco price check. Walang ang tax. I mean, merong isa dito, 110, pero siguro sa isang item yan na hindi exempted. Pero the rest is walang tax. Mga damit, I think food. Meron siguro ditong hindi. Hindi siya Pero walang tax lab, oh.
Yeah.
May $1 na tax, pero siguro may isang item dito na hindi kasama sa sa matatax, correct? Nice. Okay, let's go home.
Wait.
Not yet. So tapos na yung araw namin and nag-enjoy kayo? Not yet. So we went to Chestermere and Costco. So I think tapos na. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit that bell button. So thank you for watching. Hang loose.
No, I want to do it.
Okay. Sorry.
Hang loose.
Hang loose. Bye bye.